People bail on web development not because it's hard, but because it's mind-numbingly dull. You sit through endless tutorials, mindlessly copy code, take notes you'll trash, and when asked a basic question, your mind goes blank. Worst part? Everyone assumes this misery is normal. It isn't. Start making trash. Coding is unique. You break things and see results instantly. Yet we've normalized learning it like watching someone else play a video game. Here's what works. Create absolute nonsense. Build a site that mocks typography choices. Make it count down to nothing. Design a login that rejects the right password. When your projects are this absurd, you're genuinely invested. You edit something, reload, chaos. Debug, reload, new chaos. Suddenly, it's midnight. You're searching CSS makes no sense and enjoying it. Brains love quick rewards. Building something tangible, however idiotic, creates real mental connections instead of fuzzy video memories. That rush when your element finally moves, your neural pathways restructuring. Embrace limitations. Total freedom murders productivity. Infinite options means accomplishing zilch. Cage yourself deliberately. Set a 45-minute timer, HTML and CSS only. Clone a site using Grid exclusively. Ban AI and documentation. Learning transforms into sport. Restrictions push creative solutions instead of lazy copying. This is where comprehension develops. Show your work. Post your chaotic portfolio. Share your janky button. When strangers see it, you've created accountability. Nobody judges mess. They respect you shipped. Master AI right. Don't paste blindly, break it. Request 3 solutions and compare. Stay curious, not convenient. Choose consistency, 30 minutes daily. Each win makes tomorrow easier. Momentum is the goal. Redefine fun. Fun means engaged, not easy. Shift from can I to what's next. Actually ship. Dreading dev hell? Corpland Technologies builds your MVP and works as your full dev team for a fraction of the cost. Monthly subscription for unlimited updates.